Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Minka Aire ceiling fan remote not working, reset and receiver issue. Fix 1. Check the remote batteries. Remove the battery cover from the remote, then replace the old battery with new ones. Make sure the batteries are installed in the correct way. Then test the fan again. Second one is make sure the wall switch is on. Turn on the wall switch that power the ceiling fan. Then check your home circuit breaker if the fan has no power. Try using the remote again. Third one is reset the Minka Aire remote. Turn the fan power off at the wall switch or circuit breaker. Then wait about 30 to 60 seconds. Turn the power back on. Within 30 seconds, press and hold the stop, off or learn button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Wait for the fan or light to respond, then test the remote. Fourth one is match the dip switches. Remove the battery cover from the remote, then find the small dip switches inside the remote. Turn off power to the fan and remove the canopy. Check the dip switches on the receiver. Make sure both the remote and receiver have the same switch position. Thanks for watching.